Good morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. I was sent this indoor camera to unbox, set up, review. First impression, it's kind of like one of those baby monitors on steroids. I'm not sure. I bet it can do a whole lot more than a baby monitor. But let's have a look at it. I'm going to need two hands. Okay, it's a good box. Looks nice. This is part of a wall mount if you want to mount it up on a wall or ceiling. All right, put a couple of screws through there and then you attach that to the bottom. I'm not going to show you how to do that, but it comes with anchors, charging bug, charging cable. It looks like it's wired, so it looks like it has to be plugged in all the time. Let me get into it a little bit. Okay, it looks like it does have night vision, and it also looks like it does have to be plugged in all the time. Okay, so you would have to find a place where you have access to a wall outlet and plug it in. Now we've got to download the app by scanning this, so I'll have to go off camera and do that. Okay, well, the reset button was definitely not in an obvious place. I had to go online and do a bit of research, and then I finally found out that you have to take this black shiny plastic part that holds the camera lens and you have to shove it up like that, and the reset button is on this piece of plastic, but it's underneath. You can't really see it right now. I don't want to shove it up right now, but I'm telling you where it is. So don't put your finger on the lens, touch it here, shove this up, and then you'll find the reset button. Okay, I am back following the instructions of the app now. It says to remove the film if there's a film covering on the lens, and this did not appear to have any film covering on the lens anyway. And now we're going to scan another code that will continue this setup. Okay, going to walk you through some of this. The first or suggested way to connect the device to your Wi-Fi and to your phone, assuming it's a phone, it could be a tablet, I suppose. It didn't work. So there's a second option. The second option sets up a local Wi-Fi that's not connected to the internet. It has a funny name to it. You won't recognize the name. So it sets up the local Wi-Fi. You have to hit the reset button again, like I told you. And then you follow the directions, and your Wi-Fi locates the device. No, I should say that temporary setup Wi-Fi communicates with your Wi-Fi and your device, which is the phone I'm on right now, and it finds the device, and then it gives it a default name like Mubview, Froggy, My Living Room, or something like that. You click OK. You can go through a few more settings. Using the gear, you should all be familiar with the gear as for settings. And it did end up working, actually. I would need two smartphones to be able to show you what's on this phone by filming it with another phone, and I don't have two, so I can't do that. But anyway, it did work, and now it's in my office, and I'm going to relocate it to another area and leave it plugged in, and then I will play around with the settings. And also, one other thing to mention, they give you a 7-day free trial on recording and remembering the recordings in the cloud, or you can put in an SD card apparently. So after the free trial, then they're going to want to charge you for a subscription to record things in the cloud, or you have to use your SD card. Hopefully the SD card would record over itself after it runs through a certain number of events or certain number of days, but I'm not 100% sure on that. I will put down any further information that I figure out in the comments and pin the comments to the top. Anyway, there it is. Seems pretty decent. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notifications. If somebody from this company sees this and they want to send me a wireless, then I will set up a wireless, because I think most things are going to rechargeable wireless devices these days. The advantage, obviously, is you can locate it anywhere. The disadvantage is you have to recharge the battery every once in a while. So most of my outdoor cameras are wireless, and I have them set to record the way I want them to. And usually the batteries will last 3 months, I would say. So that's not too bad. And then I have to recharge them. Or you can buy some spare batteries and just plug in a spare while you're doing the recharging, and then you don't have any downtime. This one, I don't know if they come with wire-free or wireless ones or not. So we'll see. Anyway, be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.